CBI court in Kolkata, West Bengal has pronounced life imprisonment sentence for Sanjay Roy, who has been convicted of raping and murdering a 31-year-old duty doctor inside the state-run R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital. According to reports from national news agencies, the convict was brought before Seldia court today around 10:30 a.m., surrounded by around 500 policemen to prevent any untoward incident. The court gave verdict that Sanjay Roy was found guilty of sexually assaulting the doctor and throttling her to death. He was convicted by the judge under section 64, 66 and 1031 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita BNS, and the charges under which Roy has been convicted entail a minimum sentence of life imprisonment, while the maximum can be capital punishment. CBI, who has been probing the case, stated that the case was rarest of rare and the convict should be awarded maximum sentence, which is death sentence. Anirban Das, Additional District and Sessions Judge of Sialda Court, however, said the case did not fall under the rarest of rare category and sentenced him to life in jail. The court also directed the state to pay compensation of 17 lakh rupees to the victim's family. It may be mentioned that the incident occurred on August 9th last year, where the 31-year-old doctor was raped and brutally murdered, following which the accused Sanjay Roy was arrested the next day.